So what we do at Tax Assure is we help people manage and negotiate their tax debt. So we negotiate on your behalf with the ATO to get you into a payment plan. So that means you're back in a position of compliance. Now, these payment plans are not necessarily just the debt carved up into 6-month instalments. They're very bespoke. They meet and match what you need, what meets your cash flow at the moment, and what's been going on in your world. Many people find it very scary to actually talk to the ATO and find that the ATO require very short terms. We're able to get longer terms from the ATO, and we deal with the debt area. We don't do compliance like your accountants may do. We just deal with the debt area and have specific relationships within that debt area that we deal with every day and all day. We can also help in certain circumstances reduce the overall tax debt. The ATO charge interest and also penalties on late lodgements. So if you've ever been at least 1 day late of a lodgement and paying your debt, it's most likely that you'll have interest and penalties. That interest compounds daily. At the moment, the interest rate is around 7%. However, pre-COVID, it was up around 10%, and prior to that, we've seen it at 15%. So a number of the people that we help and the debts we see, the interest component is over half of what the actual overall debt is. We're able to do very detailed applications that meet the legal practice requirements for the ATO in getting that interest and penalty component written off for you if the circumstances are right. What that means is it reduces the overall debt. And when you reduce the overall debt, you're also reducing the amount that you have to pay in relation to the payment plans. Now, we've had, in a way, an easy collection couple of years with COVID. The ATO have taken the foot off the pedal, so to speak, and weren't collecting tax debts as part of the business support that was given to businesses during COVID and during the last couple of years. The ATO have now specifically said they're back collecting. They're back in active collection mode, and we're seeing things like statutory demands being issued again. These obviously are very serious for businesses. We're also seeing director penalty notices being issued. Some people are unaware that there's certain portions of a company's tax debt in certain circumstances, including GST, super and PAYG, that an individual director can be personally liable for, even if the company gets wound up. We often see clients that are completely stressed by this tax debt and it stops them sleeping at night. They don't know where to go. They don't know where to turn. They feel that there is no solution other than either ignoring it or paying it in full. However, there is actually a range of solutions, and that's what we do. We step in and we help you and we negotiate those solutions for you, manage the debt and get you back into a position of compliance to stop any of the nasty letters coming from the ATO, any of the enforcement action, so you can focus on running your business instead of worrying about the debt.